Now that we have kimchi that's been fermenting in our fridge, I'll show you how to make kimchi찌개, otherwise known as kimchi stew. Listed here are the ingredients that I used. Optional ingredients include the use of spam, kimchi juice, gochujang, and replacing water with anchovy broth or pork stock. We'll start by slicing our hot dog. The wiener can be cut whichever way you'd like, but diagonal cuts tend to look more appealing. Add your side pork to a pot on medium heat. As the side pork is cooking, add some sesame oil to a pan on medium heat, and then your kimchi. Fry the kimchi for about a minute. Add the wiener to the pot, and as soon as a minute has passed, add your fried kimchi. Next, add water and bring to a boil, and as the water is heating up, prepare your enoki mushrooms by cutting off the end and pull the enoki mushrooms apart. Slice your tofu and then your green onions. Once the water is done boiling, add gochugaru and salt to taste. I added 1 tablespoon of gochugaru and 2 teaspoons of salt. Finish by adding in your garlic and then your tofu and mushrooms. Bring the stew back to a boil and then add the green onions. Now that we're done cooking our kimchi stew, I hope you enjoy. If you have any other questions or comments, please leave them down below. And again, as always, if you've enjoyed this content, please like and subscribe.